The event is great. I like the topics that people raise. The presentations are really good. It's a very urgent topic and everyone is involved in the conversations and discussions, so it's really good.
I think it's great to be in person. I think you get the most out of the event if you are here in person. I mean, it's nice to tune in online if you really can't make it, but especially the coffee talks and the networking, you can only experience that on site.
And I would recommend everyone to come here and learn. I'm looking forward for the many events in future. Thanks a lot for the SDV community.